Hello my acquaintances, today I'm doing a video that I'm very excited about. Or am I excited about the video or am I excited just to get the shoes? A little bit of both, alright, a little bit of both. I guess I'm using the rule of thirds here today, so... It's from Strangecvlt. I've been following this brand for a really long time, but I've never bought anything because they didn't have my size for a while because I have very small feet. I wear size like 3 to 4, but I can comfortably wear a size 5. The thing with platform shoes is if they're too big, you can't really... Like with high tops and sneakers, you can kind of get away with getting a bigger size, but you can't really do that with platform shoes because they'll like slip and slide a lot more. Shoes are expensive and I have a lot of them, so I just haven't got any, but they have this spring cleaning sale, and they offer Afterpay now, so I thought it was like the perfect opportunity to get my third pair of white platform shoes and see if I actually wear them this time. This black shoebox. Oh, and my address is in there again. Let's be careful about that. Black box with the Strangecvlt logo on it and Strangecvlt printed on the side here and on the side here. On the side here, and this side has the shoe on it and the size. Open it up and it has this like Strangecvlt spiderweb type paper, tissue paper, and it's all folded up. Oh my god, I see them! I'm getting excited. And they're also in little individually wrapped like bag. Oh my god, I forgot they were velvet. Wow, they're already I haven't even taken them out fully yet, and I don't have much space left on this camera. But yeah, so that's how they're packaged. I'm just gonna take them out. Dude, epic! These are swag money! Strangecvlt logo on the bottom of the shoe there. I'll see if I can get some detail shots. Wow. And the blue parts are like a vegan leather. Wow. These look so cool. Wow. And the shoelaces come tucked in, and then they come stuffed, of course, with tissue paper and some more tissue paper. So and there's another Strangecvlt logo inside of there. It's cool the, like, you know how Converse have like the hexagons? And then Vans have like almost like Star of David prints. Hieroglyphics on the bottom. It's really neat. Beside the lacing, there's another Strangecvlt logo embroidered in like an electric blue. But it's like a lighter electric blue than the rest. This is what they look like on my feet. I just on the camera now. What was I thinking? Basically, they're perfect fit. My toes like right here. And they're still very comfortable. Packaging. I'd say 5 out of 5. They put a lot of detail into it. The only thing I didn't like was that, like, on the outside, if you can see it, some, like, black from the like outside packaging got like on my hands and did not come off when I washed them. So that's kind of weird, but I still think it's a 5 out of 5 for packaging, and shipping 4 to 5 out of 5. I'll put the Waylon will put it on the screen. I have no concept of time lately. 5 out of 5. I'd say it was very fair. These were like 60, I believe. They came to like 70 something after shipping and tax. It's really fair for creepers, and they're usually 100. So the fact that they're velvet and everything, I think justifies it. Quality, as I just explained with the price, 5 out of 5. They're really nice. There's only like a couple strings that seem to be coming out in some spots, but I think that's just always gonna happen with velvet. Overall, I'm gonna give them a 5, even though it might be editing Waylon might deduct that they were a 4.5 out of 5 or like a 4.8 out of 5, but I think they're really cool. Thanks for watching, and you know to bye, subscribe. See you later, all you haters. Forgot my own outro for a second.